In this video, I'm going to show you how to get someone off your best friends list. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Snapchat on your device and head over to your account. On your account, go ahead and head over to your profile by clicking on the top left corner of your screen. Then here, go ahead and scroll down and click on My Friends. Now, if Snapchat detected someone as your best friend, you'll be able to find the name of that individual under the best friends list. Now, to be able to get off someone on your best friends list, as you can see in here, you cannot unpin them from your number one BFF list. What you can do is to stop sending chats and snaps to that individual for a while, and that individual will be off your best friends list. Now, if you want to do it fast, you can remove that individual as your friend on Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.